Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I'll be continue doing the question answer based on the Vakya Prakar and Vakya Rupantar. But before that, I have already explained the Vakya Prakar and the rules of Vakya Rupantar in detail in my previous video. You can check, the link is given below. So these question and answers are from grade 10 board paper 2019 set 2. But before that, let's do a quick revision. First one is सरल वाक्य, that is simple sentence. सरल वाक्य में एक कर्ता तथा एक क्रिया के मेल से बनता है. इसमें कोई उपवाक्य जुड़ा नहीं होता है. In a sentence, there will be one doing words or an action, a karta, a person who is doing that action, or the thing from which the action is taking place will be one. Next one is मिश्र वाक्य, that is complex sentence. जिस वाक्य में एक से अधिक उपवाक्य जुड़े हो परंतु उनमें से एक प्रधान उपवाक्य हो तथा दूसरा आश्रित उपवाक्य हो उसे मिश्र वाक्य कहते हैं. There will be more than one sentence in Mishra Vakya. One half of the sentence will be Pradhan, that is important one, and other will be depending on that important one. Both the sentence will join with these keywords. Ki, kyunki, taki, j, jo, wo, jitna, utna, jaisa, वैसा, जब, तब, जिधर, उधर, अगर, यदि. Okay, so the next one. Okay, the next one is संयुक्त वाक्य, that is compound sentence. जिस वाक्य में दो या दो से अधिक उपवाक्य मिले हों परंतु सभी वाक्य प्रधान हो तो ऐसे वाक्यों को संयुक्त वाक्य कहते हैं. Means, again, here there will be more than one sentence, but all the parts of the sentence will be pradhan. All parts of the sentence will be important. No parts of the sentence will be depending on the previous or the next one. So, the keywords for Sanyukt are and, Hindi meaning और, एवं, तथा, व. Next, और, Hindi meaning या, अथवा. Next, therefore, Hindi meaning इसलिए, अथा. But, Hindi meaning for that किंतु, परंतु, लेकिन, पर. There are few more, फिर भी, नहीं तो, etc. So, let's seize the day. नीचे लिखे वाक्यों में से किन्हीं तीन वाक्यों का निर्देश अनुसार रचना के आधार पर रूपांतरण कीजिए. Basically, this question means from one form of sentence to another form, which is mentioned in the bracket. These, as I told you before, these questions are from 10th grade board paper 2019 set 2. Now you can pause the video and try to do yourself. Later on, I'll tell you how to get the answer and what is the answer. Okay, so now I'll start. ग्वालियर में हमारा एक मकान था. उस मकान के दालान में दो रोशनदान थे. We have to change into मिश्र वाक्य. So first, I will divide into two sentences. First, ग्वालियर में हमारा मकान था, one, and मकान के दालान में दो रोशनदान थे. This is the second part. Now the joining word. Joining word will be जो और उसके. Now let's see the answer. ग्वालियर में हमारा जो मकान था उसके दालान में दो रोशनदान थे. I repeat, ग्वालियर में हमारा जो मकान था उसके दालान में दो रोशनदान थे. Now I'll go to the next. Okay, next is तातारा ने विवश होकर आग्रह किया. We have to change into संयुक्त वाक्य. So I'll break into two. तातारा विवश हो गया. Okay, and second one, उसने आग्रह किया. two sentences. Now the joining word is or, means English meaning and. So the answer will be तातारा विवश हो गया और आग्रह किया. I repeat, तातारा विवश हो गया और आग्रह किया. Next. आप जो कुछ कह रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल सच है. Means whatever you are saying is true. And we have to change into सरल वाक्य. So what you will do, you will remove जो कुछ and were. So there you will get a simple sentence and the answer will be आप बिल्कुल सच कह रहे हैं. I repeat, आप बिल्कुल सच कह रहे हैं. The last question. प्रैक्टिकल आइडियोलॉजिस्टों के जीवन से आदर्श धीरे धीरे पीछे हटने लगते हैं. And we have to change into मिश्र वाक्य. So the value. The moral value starts to reduce in the life of practical ideologist. So we have to break into two sentences. Practical ideologist के जीवन में one part and the next will be आदर्श धीरे धीरे पीछे हटने लगते हैं. Now the joining word will be जो and उनके. So the answer is जो प्रैक्टिकल आइडियोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं उनके जीवन से आदर्श धीरे धीरे पीछे हटने लगते हैं. आई रिपीट, जो प्रैक्टिकल आइडियोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं उनके जीवन से आदर्श धीरे धीरे पीछे हटने लगते हैं. These questions are from 2019 set 3. Okay. Now you can pause the video and try to do yourself. Now I will tell you the answer. Question is, सालाना इम्तिहान हुआ, भाई साहब फेल हो गए. Meaning, final exam got over and elder brother failed. So we have to divide this into two small sentences. सालाना इम्तिहान हुआ. 1. भाई साहब फेल हो गए. 2. Then the joining word is जब and तब. So the sentence will be or the answer will be जब सालाना इम्तिहान हुआ तब भाई साहब फेल हो गए. Because we have to do it into मिश्र वाक्य which is mentioned in the bracket. Next question. 200 आदमियों का जुलूस लाल बाज़ार गया और वहाँ पर गिरफ्तार हो गया. Meaning, the group of 200 people went to Lal Bazaar and got arrested there. We have to change into सरल वाक्य which is mentioned in the bracket. So now here गया और becomes जाकर means after going. So the answer will be 200 आदमियों का जुलूस लाल बाजार जाकर गिरफ्तार हो गया. Okay. Next one is लोग टोलियां बनाकर मैदान में घूमने लगे. You have to make it into संयुक्त वाक्य. Meaning is people started roaming around in the groups. So I will divide this big sentence into two small sentences. One will be लोग टोलियां बनाए 1 and second one will be लोग घूमने लगे. Okay, so now the joining word is or, that is and. So now the answer will be लोग टोलियां बनाए और मैदान में घूमने लगे. I repeat, लोग टोलियां बनाए और मैदान में घूमने लगे. Okay. Next is नू ने उसकी बात सुनी और दुखी हो रोते रहे. We have to make it into मिश्र वाक्य. Okay. So the meaning is when Noo heard him, he started to cry. Now it's a Mishra Vakya, so you have to add jab tab. जब नूह ने उसकी बात सुनी तब दुखी हो रोते रहे. Okay, here you can add also जैसे and वैसे because this is also Mishra keywords. So the answer will be जैसे ही नूह ने उसकी बात सुनी वैसे ही दुखी होकर रोने लगे. I repeat, जैसे ही नूह ने उसकी बात सुनी वैसे ही दुखी होकर रोने लगे. Okay, the next. Again, these questions are from set 4, 10th grade board paper 2019 set 4. So pause the video here and you can do it yourself. Later on I'll tell you. So the first question is, कठिन परिश्रम करने के बाद वो परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो सका. This you have to change into संयुक्त वाक्य. The meaning of this sentence is, after working hard, he was able to succeed in exam. So what we have to do? We have to divide into two sentences. वह कठिन परिश्रम करता है. One will be this. The other, परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो सका. वह परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो सका. Okay, so now the joining word will be इसलिए, that's why, or therefore. So the answer is, वह कठिन परिश्रम करता है इसलिए परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो सका. Next question. सुबह माताजी जल्दी उठी और सबको जगाया. We have to make it into सरल वाक्य. Okay. So the meaning is, mother woke up early in the morning and she woke others. So now this uthi or, okay, uthi or becomes utkar, okay, means after getting up. So the sentence or the answer will be, सुबह माताजी जल्दी उठकर सबको जगाया. Okay. The next one, बरसात होने पर सूरज छिप जाता है. We have to make it into मिश्र वाक्य. So the meaning is, when it is raining, the sun is not visible. The joining word will be जब तब. So the answer is, जब बरसात होती है. Okay, जब बरसात होती है तब सूरज छिप जाता है. जब बरसात होती है तब सूरज छिप जाता है. I have already divided this big sentence into two small sentences. That is, बरसात होती है 1 and then सूरज छिप जाता है 2. And now after joining जब तब you will get the answer. So the next one, next question. दोनों कबूतर खिड़की के बाहर पहुंचकर उदास हो बैठ गए. Okay. So both the pigeon felt sad and they sat on the window. So you have to divide this big sentence into two small simple sentences in order to make संयुक्त वाक्य. Okay, so first sentence will be, दोनों कबूतर उदास हो गए. Okay, the second one will be, और खिड़की पर बैठ गए. खिड़की पर बैठ गए. So as it is संयुक्त, so we have to add or, that is and, in the sentence. Now you will get, दोनों कबूतर उदास हो गए और खिड़की पर बैठ गए. Okay. These questions are from 2018 set 1, 10th grade board paper. Okay. The question is, निर्देश अनुसार उत्तर लिखिए, means do as directed. बालगोविंद जानते हैं कि अब बुढ़ापा आ गया. The question is, आश्रित उपवाक्य छांट कर भेद भी लिखिए, means you have to say which one is the depending sentence and write the type of the sentence. The meaning of the sentence is Bal Gobind knew he became old. So what I'll do, I'll divide this into two parts. अब बुढ़ापा आ गया, दिस इज द मेन सेंटेंस और द प्रधान वाक्य. और बाल गोविंद जानते हैं, दिस इज द डिपेंडिंग सेंटेंस और आश्रित उपवाक्य. ओके, एंड द भेद इज, as you can see the word की, जानते हैं की, this की shows this is मिश्र वाक्य. The next one, मॉरिशस की स्वच्छता देखकर मन प्रसन्न हो गया. This you have to convert into मिश्र वाक्य. So the meaning of the sentence is, after seeing the cleanliness of Mauritius, I became happy. Now what I'll do, I'll divide this big sentence into two small sentences. Mauritius की स्वच्छता देखा 1, मन प्रसन्न हो गया 2. Okay, so now the joining word is जब तब. So the sentence will be, जब मॉरिशस की स्वच्छता देखा तब मन प्रसन्न हो गया. Okay, next one, गुरुदेव आराम कुर्सी पर लेटे हुए थे और प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य का आनंद ले रहे थे. This you have to change into सरल वाक्य. The meaning of the question is, Gurudev was resting on the chair and enjoying the nature's beauty. Now what will happen? लेटे हुए थे और, this entire thing will become लेट कर. Okay, after resting or after lying down. Now the answer will be, गुरुदेव आराम कुर्सी पर लेटकर प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य का आनंद ले रहे थे. Okay, the set 2 was same as set 1. All the questions were same, only the arrangement was different. This is set 3. जापान में चाय पीने की एक विधि है जिसे चा नु यू कहते हैं. We have to make it into सरल वाक्य. The meaning of sentence, the method to drink tea in Japan is known as cha nu yu. What we will do, we will remove all the extra words, that is ek and jise. Then you will get a simple sentence, that is the answer. जापान में चाय पीने की विधि को चा नु यू कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, तातारा को देखते ही वामिरो फूट फूट कर रोने लगी. दिस इज द सेंटेंस वी हैव टू चेंज इनटू मिश्र वन. ओके, सो आई विल डिवाइड दिस इनटू टू पार्ट्स. तातारा को देखा 1, वामिरो रोने लगी 2. Now I will add जैसे and वैसे. The meaning of this sentence is, after seeing Tatara, Vamiro start crying. Now the answer. जैसे ही वामिरो ने तातारा को देखा वैसे ही वो रोने लगी. Okay. Next question. तातारा की व्याकुल आंखें वामिरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त थी. This you have to change into संयुक्त वाक्य. Okay, the meaning of the sentence, Tatara became restless and his eyes started searching for Vamiro. Okay, now I will divide this into two small simple sentences. One is, तातारा की आंखें व्याकुल हो गई. The next one is, वामिरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त हो गई. The joining words or means and. So now the answer will be, तातारा की आंखें व्याकुल हो गई और वामिरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त हो गई. There will be slight change in the sentence according to Hindi. Okay. The set 4 and 5 were having the similar questions. So this is the end of the video. If you want more of these types of videos or more explanation, detailed explanation of answer, do write in comment section. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for my click bell icon for the new update. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.